Representative Harris, you're recognized.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. Members, this bill is a massive legal and philosophical leap, and it's one that has serious consequences. This bill blurs the line between medical science and civil law. In the legal context, and that's what we need to be talking about here, in the legal context, it treats a zygote, an embryo, a fetus, the same as a child, the same as you and I. This is not a symbolic gesture. It rewrites how we understand liability, injury, and intent. I am not a lawyer. I have learned a lot about the law, though, recently. Second, this opens the door to unpredictable and dangerous consequences. We don't know if someone can be sued for the death of an embryo. What's to stop future lawsuits against a friend who drove someone to the clinic or a pharmacist who filled a prescription? Even with carve-outs for lawful medical procedures, the fear of being dragged into court will create a chilling effect, especially in cases involving reproductive health care. Women and medical providers, even if they're not sued, they could be called as a witness and dragged to court. Could you imagine being a survivor and your abuser being able to drag you to testify on a horrific event that happened to them and a personal medical decision that they made with their healthcare provider? Imagine having to go through that in court. And it also creates potential leverage for abusers. This bill could allow abusers to weaponize the courts. Imagine a scenario where a controlling partner sues a woman's support system, her parents, her family, her friends, because they all dared to help her when her pregnancy ended. That's not justice. This is a tool for coercion. This is going to embolden abusers and put victims at risk. And lastly, this bill undermines consistency in our legal system. It's not about our feelings. It's about the law. The Florida law has never created or never ever treated a zygote like a person under any wrongful death statutes. This bill doesn't adjust the law. It redefines entirely. It has lack of clarity. It's going to confuse courts. It's going to confuse doctors and families. So colleagues, we can agree that losing a pregnancy, one that's intended especially, can be heartbreaking. But we can't allow that to motivate us to do this. Please vote down on this bill.